In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename tabs in Glide. Renaming tabs is a quick way to keep your app organized and make navigation crystal clear for your users, whether they're on the web or on mobile. First, go to Glide. Open your browser and head to the Glide platform, or launch the desktop app if that's what you use. Next, sign into your account using your usual login method so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, open the project you want to edit. From your dashboard, pick the app where you want to make the change. This takes you into the editor, where you'll see your app preview and, on the right, a sidebar with settings. Now, look to the right sidebar. This panel shows details for whatever is currently selected in the editor. Click the tab you want to rename in your app's navigation so the sidebar updates to show its settings. In that right side panel, find the field labeled Label. This field controls the name your users see in the tab bar. Click into the Label field and type the new name you want. As you type, you should see the tab name update instantly in the preview, which makes it easy to catch typos or formatting issues on the spot. A few quick naming tips while you're here. Keep names short and scannable. Think Home, Orders, or Profile instead of long phrases. Aim for consistency across tabs so your app feels cohesive. Avoid adding personal information or anything sensitive to your tab names, and be mindful with special characters or emojis, since readability is key. If you don't see the label field, make sure the tab itself is selected. The sidebar changes based on what you've clicked. When you're happy with the new name, go to the top right and click Publish. Publishing pushes your change to the live version of your app, so users will see the updated tab name. Until you click Publish, the rename remains only in the editor. Publishing is also helpful when collaborating with teammates because it ensures everyone is aligned on the same, up-to-date version. The change typically appears right away, and it applies across platforms where your app is available. And that's all there is to it. You've gone to Glide, signed in, opened your project, renamed the tab from the right side label field, and published your change. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs.